Hey, what's up, gamers? Today I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how to turn your gaming videos into TikTok format from Twitch or wherever using CapCut. It's very easy. I'm going to take a video, a clip from my Twitch stream here at the top. I was playing Madden. Had a nice little reel. Add it to the timeline there. Let's see. And here's where you can
I'm gonna
do
hit
some
pits on that.
editing. I'm not going to go into editing, but you do your cuts. Trim it. I always remove the ending here of the CapCut thing. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Make sure that. Okay, once your video is good to go, you're going to change the ratio. See the ratio at the bottom there? In the bottom left, okay, it's on fit. Change to that 916, that TikTok. As you can see, it's gonna look boring and small. Use your fingers, and you're gonna wanna, fill it to where you want it. And then you're good to go. But I wanna add my face cam on there. If you have a face webcam, you're gonna want that on there. And also you're gonna wanna add some background. But, I mean, if you don't need all that, if you don't have the webcam, then, you can rock with this. But if you want to really add some your own spliff to it, then, as you can see, I'm lowering it right there. The edges TikTok kind of has all the description of your video there, so I like to leave a little room there. What I'm going to do is add an overlay for my webcam. So see that overlay button down there at the bottom? Click on that, and then you can click on Add Overlay. And then I'm going to add the same clip. Just add the same clip. Click Add. And I'm just going to play the video. As you can see, there's my webcam right there. You're going to need to mute the volume on this clip, just in case it's unsynchronized somehow. And then you're going to need to crop it to where it's just your webcam. So scroll down on the bottom until you see, okay, it's over on edit. But here's all these options here. I'm not going to go to a full CapCut tutorial, but, let's see, I got lost here. Yeah, you go to edit, and then you click crop. And scroll all the way, make sure you just put the webcam the way you want it. Okay, that's where I want it. And, if you want just your face, that's fine. And then now you got it on there. Now you can click on it if you're on the computer. I'm just using my fingers. I'm on my iPad. Just get it to where you want it. I like to have... I'm just going to tweak it a little bit the way I like it. Everyone's different. Just some minor adjustments. I'm a little picky.
With 12 seconds to go in this first. I'm gonna hit pits on that.
That's about where I want it. You do it the way you want it. The only thing is, you got that black background on there. So we'll get to that in a minute. I'll show you how to add a good-looking background. But yeah, I mean, some of y'all, you might be done, but I'm gonna add some more tips and tricks here. Here's the cover. I'm gonna add, if you click on edit cover, the thumbnail, I'm just gonna add Kyle Pitts touchdown. I'm gonna go to the style. The font was kind of boring. Let me just pick this font over here. That one towards the right there looks pretty good. And the Falcons is red and black, so I'm just gonna click on style. That looks good. Bam. Sorry about the notifications on my phone. I'm just trying to bang out a clip for y'all so y'all know how to make better gaming videos. I used to do this on Shotcut and it was a lot harder. But yeah, I got my thumbnail. I mean, this bad boy's ready to go. But I'm going to show you how to... You see the canvas at the bottom right there? You're going to need to click on canvas down there. And then you just click on blur. I use that first one. You can still kind of see, and then look at that crispy, my boy. crisp background on there. And this bad boy is all the way filled in. It's the way I like it. I'm sure you're going to love it. I mean, now all you got to do is pretty much the top right there. Just export it, upload that bad boy to TikTok, and you're good to go. But I forgot to add subtitles. So you're going to click on the text button down there and do auto subtitles. I like this style right here. So it's going to create auto subtitles.
Of
I'm gonna hit pits on that out route over there.
And see, it misspells stuff, but I mean, it does make it faster. So you just got to click on it. And use your fingers or your mouse. You know, just make sure the spelling's right so you don't look.
Over there.
You know, pits is misspelled, but whatever. This is just for the tutorial. It's spelled Ritter. That's kind of bothering me. Let's fix that. But, I mean, this, in less than 10 minutes, I was
Woo!
able to
That was crispy, my boy!
a clip and...
Let's
show you
go.
how to make clips. Yeah, so subtitles, and then now, this is about where I'm done. If you want more CapCut tutorials, let me know in the comments. If this has helped you out, please like and subscribe. And I will show you more streaming tips. But yeah, well, let's see. Let's add a sticker. And just scroll down. I want to get more follows. I like the subscribe button over here. Even though that's for YouTube. And there's that follow button. Yeah, all these little buttons you can add. See, look at this bad boy. Bam. This call to action. Believe it or not, just that little call to action there. You know, people look at your videos and, you know, they won't hit the follow button unless you tell them sometimes. Or the subscribe. So the call to action button really helps you out. So, all right, y'all. That is it.